The Annapolis median sold price is up 15.4%, and there are almost double the number of rentals available compared to this time last year. It's Friday, June 5th, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Annapolis inventory for sale rose this report by just one, to 240 properties for sale with a median list price of $799,450. 100 of these properties for sale have repositioned their price, reducing 4%. 30 properties are coming soon this week with a median list price of $615,000. 41 properties went under contract in 13 median days at a median list price of $669,000. And 41 properties sold in 6 days at a median sold price of $785,000. Annapolis is still a solid seller's market. On the rental front, there are 51 rental properties listed at $3,000 a month, and these have been active for 31 days. Only one rental went under application over the past week. Have you been hearing a lot of things on the national news regarding real estate and kind of confused? Give me a call. Let's talk, and I can give you the 411 on your actual property or what you'd like to do as far as buying a property. That's your wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, June 5th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in and enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.